Hello student, welcome to Sandeepni Vidya Mandir. Today we are going to start class 7 civics chapter 2 role of the government in health. So, what is the responsibility of government toward the health of citizen of our country? First question come to in your mind, what is health? So let's understand. Health is the one of the most important aspect of life. Any person is healthy if there is no injury, illness, or disease, and she or he should not be prone to any disease. So, in that case, we will say that person is healthy. To maintain this health, there should be a proper system and should be run by some other system by our government. Our government is responsible for the welfare of the people. In any democratic country, generally government takes the responsibility of education, health, employment, housing, development of road, electricity, etc. Health is also the responsibility of government, and we also have a democratic government. In our constitution also provide that it is the primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide health care facility to everyone. Providing the facility should be either at low cost or it should be the free of cost, because everyone cannot be afford the facility, because many people live in their life below the poverty level in our country. They mostly belong to rural area as well as they live in cities. The health of people to our country have a separate ministry in our country, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of India. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of India, it take care the public health and welfare. To take care of healthcare facilities, provide to everyone of healthcare facility, what are the requirement? We should have we should have hospital, medical equipment, testing laboratories, ambulances, blood bank, and medicines. That are the necessary thing that requires for the implement of healthcare facility. Along with that, we should have health workers, nurses, doctors, and other health professionals are required to run these healthcare facilities. These are the requirement of the providing healthcare facilities. Now let's talk about the available facility. We are going to throw some of the facts which will show that how much India has provided in term of medical facility. India has largest number of India has largest number of medical colleges in the world, and it is also the largest producer in the world. Every year, 15,000 doctors get the license for the practice, and India is also the third largest producer and the exporter of medicine in the world. In India, large number of medical tourists come to India for the treatment in some of the world-class hospital. India has been significant growth in the medical facility in last 30 years. But these are the facilities available in urban area. Now let's take about the healthcare facility in rural area. Here also we going through the some fact about the healthcare facilities in rural area. One of them is the every year about 5 lakh people have died from the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis also known as TB. Every year about 20 lakh malaria cases are registered, and Half of the children in the rural area do not get the adequate food and undernourished, so their body do not develop the such as require and their immunity become low. They have more changes to affect by any disease. In rural area, people have to travel long distance for the medical facility. Clean water is not available to the people in rural area. You can see these are the facts that show rural health in India does not in good condition. People in rural area get so much pain to get these facilities. In the urban area, many government hospital and along with them many private hospitals. So we can say in urban area healthcare facility is little better comparative to rural area. Now talk about the facility versus reality. In previous section we talk about the healthcare facility in rural area as well as the healthcare facility in urban area. Both the condition are not so good, but we say in healthcare situation is little better than the comparison to the rural India. Now, comparing both the fact, we conclude that in rural area still not able to provide the health facilities. People are facing and suffering problem every day to get these facilities. India has the resources, but it is not able to provide the necessary health care to everyone. Although government is trying to provide efficient system of the healthcare in rural area. So students, that's all for today's class. For better understanding, go through your NCERT book civics chapter number 2, role of government in healthcare. So let's see you in next video. Thank you.